Have you ever wondered how to regain tightness and satisfaction after childbirth without undergoing surgery? Let's explore the best natural solution to revitalize your reproductive health and enhance intimacy. Understanding the challenge. The delicate balance of reproductive health plays a crucial role in intimate satisfaction for women. However, factors like childbirth, aging, and strenuous exercises can lead to a loss of tightness in the genital passage, affecting overall satisfaction in love life. Factors contributing to loose vaginal walls. Post-childbirth changes. The stretching of pelvic muscles during childbirth often leads to a loss of tightness that doesn't easily revert to its pre-pregnancy state. Aging and muscle strain. As women age, the natural elasticity of muscles and tissues can diminish, contributing to a loss of firmness in the genital area. Additionally, rigorous exercises can strain these muscles, further exacerbating the issue. The power of herbal remedy, Shabab tablets. Discover Shabab tablets, the ultimate herbal remedy for tightening loose vaginal walls, naturally and effectively without the need for surgery. Benefits of Shabab tablets. Natural tightening. Shabab tablets use potent herbal ingredients to naturally tighten the muscles and walls of the genital passage, restoring lost firmness. Safe and side effect free. These tablets are completely natural and free from synthetic additives, ensuring a safe and gentle solution for tightening without any side effects. Enhanced sensation. By improving the vitality and vigor of reproductive parts, Shabab tablets tighten and enhance lovemaking desire and sensation, boosting overall intimacy. Preventative measures. Regular use of Shabab tablets prevents unwanted issues like white discharge, odor, fungal infections, and bacterial growth, promoting a healthy genital environment. How to use Shabab tablets. Shabab tablets are designed for easy use and maximum effectiveness. Insert one tablet into the genital passage half an hour before bedtime. As it dissolves, you'll experience a sensation that improves the impression of the genital passage. For optimal results, continue using Shabab tablets consistently for 3 months to experience significant tightening and revitalization of your intimate health. Choosing natural solutions for health. In a world where natural remedies are increasingly preferred, Shabab tablets stand out as the best option for tightening a loose vagina quickly without surgery. Their herbal formulation tightens and addresses underlying issues like irritation, itching, and inflammation. Revitalize your intimacy with Shabab tablets. Experience the transformative power of Shabab tablets from ayurvedresearch.com, the best herbal product to help improve intimacy and regain tightness naturally.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.